Hello, this is Aline from MasterYourWeb. You're watching HTML tutorial for absolute beginners, and this is going to be a retrospective video about what we have learned so far. Alright, great. We have reached the final video in this series, and I believe that we have helped each other grow a lot. So as a recap, we have started with the introduction to HTML, in which we have discussed about what HTML is and why is it useful. Then we have moved to Visual Studio Code, which was the main tool in which we have written our code. Then we have started tackling the most important concepts in HTML, such as divs, spans, paragraphs, headings, text formatters, links, images,
6.5 hours later,
attributes, head tag, comments, lists, tables, and last but not least, forms. There was a lot of information, but hopefully, with the help of the exercises presented, you have gained a good basic knowledge about HTML. Alright, so what's next then? Well, in my opinion, in order to learn web development, our next step is to start learning CSS. CSS is a great language which helps us style our HTML application so that it looks and feels modern. That is an essential property of most of the websites today, that they have a modern look and also a friendly interface. So on my channel, you will find a CSS tutorial for beginners series that you can start watching and begin your learning process of learning CSS. Also, if you enjoyed the content so far, I will totally appreciate a like and also a subscribe. We'll see each other in the CSS tutorial for beginners series, and remember that our mission while learning web development is to learn, build, and in the end to conquer. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the content and if you consider that it's at least 1% relevant, then please leave a like, a share, and subscribe to the channel for more content. We'll see you on the next one.